What is SEO on WordPress? The WordPress platform gives a lot of SEO help, and the best of it is achieved using WordPress SEO plugins. SEO on the WordPress CRM is actually no different from SEO elsewhere. Natural traffic is an SEO's term for people who visit your websites after seeing pages which the search engines have both registered in their databases and decided they're good enough to be shown. Natural traffic is what new website owners want like nothing else, especially when they are just starting out and have a very low budget. Any wise website owner will use feedback from their search engine traffic to find out exactly what their visitors want. And while WordPress as an established content management system is very SEO friendly, there are still things that can be done to optimize it and make it better. Optimized themes also provide such services, allowing you to have a unique header image, and this improves the visual appeal of your pages and can give them a higher ranking on Google search engines.